11-14-24 standard change maker. This side works, no. This one side works, yes. So we notice that when we put our hand in here, that this one can spin around. No, it will not spin around, it's solid. This one over here, if you put your hand in here, it just keeps on going. So the shaft in there is freewheeling. We changed motherboards and it's the same issue. So I do notice that this shaft here, right there, is freewheeling right there. But see this piece of metal here? It seems like it's all the way to the left. So let's open this motherboard and see what a shaft looked like. Can you hold the phone for me? Yeah. Okay. Let's open this motherboard up. Let's pull this one out first. And then this one. So you do need these screws in here to get ground for it to work. And you do not need a number 2 Phillip, something smaller. I don't know what that is, a number 3 or a number 1, no. But you take these screws out and you lean this thing down so you can see the gears inside. Whatever you do, be real gentle. This stuff is really fragile.
No, look, that thing is the same. It doesn't matter, I guess.
All right, so what can I say? Where's my stick? So I noticed that this shaft here is connected to these 2 gears, but this one here, there is no shaft that came out. This one over here, this one has like a shaft that spins around. So somehow if we can hold this guy, then it'll be equivalent to this guy. Because focus on this thing right here, okay? See that piece of metal? I think it should go straight across. That's what I think. Because on this side, the metal, I don't see a long metal stick.
Yeah, okay.
And so here, I'm gonna spin this. You look at it. You look at that. You look at that. Oh, you see it?
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, it's freewheeling, right? So we can hold that stick in place, then it will be stuck in one place just like this one. Okay. So the question is, if I am assuming that this stick came out, for me to push it in, how do I do that? I would have to spin this thing and so this thing is straight and this thing is turned in. Okay, now it's straight. Now it's straight like the other one. If it's straight like this, that stick should be on this side. Where's where's that tool?
What you need?
I sure took a lot of nice tools and left it in the van. Where's your pointing stick? The one that we play
Oh, on the top.
Okay. So what I'm saying is I want this thing to be more. Why don't you take your finger and spin that thing around to see if I can push this thing in. Got it? Well, I don't want it.
But I think two things you need to turn. But there's some corn in there. So let me get the corn out.
Do you have something for my knees? Something
Yes.
softer?
Let me check.
So, what we also need to do is we need to lift this thing up while you spin up there and see if I can push the shaft in. Okay, I'm good.
Got it?
Well, I have a place to sit. Now, another thing you can do now is I'm going to push this thing up. Which one is it? No, that one. And then this one. So, while you're spinning it around, I'm going to try to push this guy in. Go ahead, spin it around. Slow down. Can you push down a little bit?
Yeah, it's even up and down. And got it tight.
Okay, now spin around.
Now you hold that. It's so tight, I cannot move. Yeah.
Now my assumption is, I think this stick came out.
Oh, okay.
It needs to go in.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking. So the question is, if this stick right here was to go in across,
Because they have a look like they have
will
a
it
hole.
be looking like this? We want it to look like this.
Yeah, I can see the hole over there. So,
Let's go ahead and how do you get this guy to spin to see the other direction? Because I only see this side, but I don't see the other side. And then the other thing is, if I take this out, I don't have a plier to push it in. Super long gimmacho. That's
and you do the something like screwdriver or something?
that's gimmacho. I have it, but I took it out today to work on something, and I didn't put it back. So let's get this guy out. How do I get it out?
How can why you can put down here easy to
Huh?
put it down here easy?
No, I like it here, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So these nuts, if this guy come out, and then what? What happens if these guys come out? How do I get this guy come out? Because I want to get to this motor, so I can.
So that means the motor right here. Yeah, right? Yeah, look like the motor right here.
Well, where's my screwdriver so I can point to what I'm talking about? Right here.
Okay.
So I want to push this stick in. So I want to take this thing out so I can do it on the table. But to get this guy, I think it has to come to as a whole unit. You can't push it in until you turn this thing.
I turn it.
Where?
I turn it.
No, I can turn my hand over here.
No, it's my turn. I mean, I did turn it. Okay. But it's not working.
Let me see your flashlight.
Like it.
No, don't touch them.
Oh, yeah, you have a small hole there.
I want to see.
Wait. Can I see this? My stupid eye. You see that?
Well, no, it's away from my eyes now.
So you want? Okay.
You gotta push it down. Push this stick down.
Something down. Oh, no cord.
Or you can turn it vertical. Well, it's either up or down.
Move your hand, Zoom. Yeah, it turns Zoom. Let me see that side. Because I don't see the hole.
So right now you're spinning, but the other side is doing nothing.
Zoom. Do you think should we take this part out?
Which one?
This one right here.
Okay.
Screw here.
So that's what I'm talking about. If I take this out, and then what happens? I will get closer to it?
Because this one is connected with this one.
Yeah, so if I take these three out, then, but it's still connected to the top one, and the top one is still connected. It's almost like if I want to do that, I gotta take all of these out. All three here and all three here. And
Not that one.
okay, so it has to go down then.
But you can touch this one now. This one. This one just hang it in.
Even if I take this out, this side is another layer. If that layer, I still can't get into here. Even if I take it out of here, it's still stuck inside here. To get this guy out, I would have to take this and this out. That's a lot to take out. But it'd be nice if I had a Kimocho right now and I yank this out. If it could come out, then I could see the other hole.